In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Windows cannot find. Make sure you type the name correctly and then try again, error. This message usually appears when you try to open a program, file, or shortcut, and Windows can't locate what you're asking it to run. It might look a bit worrying, but in most cases, it's caused by something simple, like a broken shortcut, a moved file, or a small misconfiguration. Let's walk through how to track down the cause and get things working again. First, think about what you were trying to open when the error appeared. Was it a desktop shortcut? Something from the Start menu? Or a file you double-clicked in File Explorer? If it's a shortcut on your desktop or taskbar, right-click it and choose Open File Location. If Windows takes you to the actual program folder, the shortcut is fine, and we can look elsewhere. If instead you see another error or the folder is empty, that shortcut is probably pointing to something that no longer exists. In that case, delete the broken shortcut and recreate it by searching for the program in the Start menu, then right-clicking and choosing Pin to Start or Pin to Taskbar. Next, check whether the file or app has been moved or renamed. If you recently cleaned up folders, uninstalled software, or moved things to another drive, Windows might still be trying to use the old path. Open File Explorer and manually browse to where you expect the program to be, usually under Program Files or Program Files. 86. If you find the program's main executable file, try running it directly from there. If that works, update any old shortcuts so they point to this correct location. If the error pops up when you run commands from the Run dialog or command prompt, it may be a path issue. Some tools rely on the system path environment variable, so Windows knows where to look for them. If that variable was changed or cleaned up, Windows won't find the program. You can avoid this by always using the full path to the program, or by reinstalling the application so it correctly adds itself back to the path. Finally, if nothing seems to open and you get this error for many different apps, there might be system corruption. In that case, open Command Prompt as administrator and run basic system repair tools like a system file check and a disk check. After they complete, restart your computer and test again. By carefully checking shortcuts, file locations, and your system configuration, you can usually clear this error and get your apps opening normally again.